Hello dear students, myself Sushma Rao, Assistant Professor in MPM Government First Year College, Karkala. Okay, in this video, let us discuss the basics of financial management. What is finance? Can you think of the business without finance? No, right? Finance is considered as the lifeblood of business. Starting from the beginning, when you think of starting a business, from that stage itself, the capital is required. What is capital? It is in the form of money, cash, or another non-cash form. So finance is considered as a basic thing which is very much required for starting a business. Okay, and after incorporation also, after setting up the business also, in each and every stage, it may be either purchase of raw materials or payment of wages or purchase of various capital assets, right, or for various meeting various other expenditures also. The finance is required in all the stages of business. So finance is very important. Now, what is financial management? What is the use of this financial management in business? Okay, just to think that you're working in a company and you're taking good salary. Will you blindly spend the money for various purposes without thinking about future? No, right? You think about cost. While making each and every expenditure, you think about the cost, how much is the cost or the price, and you compare the cost with the benefit. So, comparison between the cost as well as benefit is very much required. Where you think that it is beneficial, then only you take the decision. In business also, it goes in that way itself, because the ultimate aim of doing any business is earning profit. To make the profit, obviously the benefit should be greater than its cost, right? Okay, in this I have prepared some PPT over here. Let us go through the various aspects according to PPT step by step. Okay, so first, meaning and definition of finance. So first point, finance is lifeblood of business. I have already told you, right? And the second point is that it was a branch of economics till 1890 and a separate discipline. It is of recent origin. Before 1890, it was not a separate discipline, it was a branch of economics itself, and later on in the recent stages it has developed as a separate discipline. Okay, financial management is concerned with management decision that it results in acquisition of fund, raising of finance, as well as raising of funds both short term as well as long term. Let us discuss what is raising of funds, what is long term funds, short term funds in coming videos. Okay, yes. And finance is also referred as the provision of money wherever it is needed, whenever it is needed. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಆಗ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಆದ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಅದು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, now let us come to the definition of the term finance. According to Khan and Jain, finance is the art and science of managing money. Finance is not only science, it is not only art, it is both art and science of managing money. How do you manage the money with you available in your hands? That is finance, right? The second definition is that according to Oxford Dictionary, the word finance means management of money, one and the same. The definition, first and second definition, gives the same meaning. And the third definition, Webster's 9th New College Dictionary defines finance is a science on study of management of funds. He says that according to this dictionary, it is only the science which is concerned with management of funds, and manage of fund as a system that includes circulation of money, granting of credit, and making of investments, and provision of banking facilities. You think about big business concerns where the money is to be raised from various sources. It may be either by issue of shares or debentures or raising funds from long-term financial institutions, right? Is it only raising of funds? No. You have to see that there is smooth flow of cash throughout working of the business. right? You should also think about whether you have to provide credit facilities to your customers also, because if you provide credit facilities to your customers, your funds will be blocked ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೀವೀಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಸಾಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರು, ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಮೌಂಟು. ಸೊ ವೈಲ್ providing credit to your customers, then also you should think about the financial matters, right? Okay, yes. And now let us come to the definition of business finance, one and the same, but here from the point of view of exam, writing for the exam, you should think and write the separate definitions for finance as well as business finance. There is slight difference. Okay, so according to Wheeler, what he says, business finance is that business activity which is concerned with acquisition ಅದೇನು, ಫಂಡನ್ನು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲನ್ನು ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ in meeting financial needs and overall objectives of business enterprise. This is a definition given by Wheeler, one of the famous expert. And according to Gutman and Doggle, business finance can broadly be defined as activity concerned with the planning, raising, controlling, administering of funds used in business. You have studied management, principles of management, so various aspects of management. So here finance is one of the main area of business, right? So ದುಡ್ಡು, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ಮನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, let us go to the next slide here. Definition of financial management. In this video, we are discussing only the definitions. Okay, so according to Solomon, financial management is concerned with efficient use of important economic resource, namely capital funds. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಸೊಲೋಮನ್? It is nothing but efficient use. What is efficient use? Yeah, how to manage it. Efficiency ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? So when the benefit is greater than its cost. Yes or no? So there should be efficient use of economic resource. Economic resource means funds, right? Capital funds. According to S.C. Kuchar, financial management deals with ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಎರಡು ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನವರು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲವನ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಖರ್ಚು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದ ಮುಂದೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ವೈಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್, ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅದರಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಅದನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೆಲವು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್, ಟೂಲ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಸಿ, financial management is an operational activity of business that is responsible for obtaining and effective utilizing the funds necessary for efficient operations. All definitions gives one or the other same meaning, other way, right? So this is thus financial management. We can go to the last paragraph over here. Financial management is mainly concerned with effective funds management in the business. In simple words, financial management is practiced by business firms, can be called as corporate business or business finance. Okay, these are various aspects relating to the business finance. In this video we learned what is the meaning of finance, what is the meaning and definition of business finance, and the meaning and definition of financial management. In the coming videos, let us discuss the scope of business finance, financial management, as well as its objectives. I hope the video is clear. Thank you.